Welcome to MetaMask versus KeepKey. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both wallets are included in the description below. In this video, we'll compare these wallets by their features, who they're best for, and their use cases to help you make an informed decision. MetaMask is one of the most popular software wallets designed for anyone involved in the Ethereum ecosystem, or dApps. It supports Ethereum, ERC20 tokens, and other Ethereum-compatible networks like Binance Smart Chain and Polygon. Available as a browser extension and mobile app, it provides a user-friendly interface for managing tokens and interacting with decentralized applications. Its built-in token swap feature makes it convenient for trading directly within the wallet. MetaMask is ideal for DeFi enthusiasts, NFT collectors, and anyone looking to access Web3. However, as a hot wallet, its security depends on how well users manage their private keys, leaving it susceptible to online threats. KeepKey, by contrast, is a hardware wallet designed to prioritize the cold storage of cryptocurrencies. Its focus is on security with private keys stored offline, providing robust protection against hacks and malware. Supporting assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and more, KeepKey integrates seamlessly with the Shapeshift platform, enabling users to trade assets securely. Its large screen enhances transaction verification, offering an extra layer of security and user confidence. KeepKey is best suited for long-term holders and those who prioritize security over frequent transactions. When deciding between the two, MetaMask excels in flexibility and is the clear choice for users who need regular access to DeFi protocols, NFTs, and dApps. However, it is less secure than a hardware wallet. KeepKey, on the other hand, offers superior security for users who prioritize safeguarding their funds in cold storage, but it lacks the convenience and ecosystem integration MetaMask provides. In summary, choose MetaMask if you're an active crypto user engaging with dApps and trading frequently. Opt for KeepKey if security and long-term storage are your primary concerns. Explore both wallets using the links in the description and let us know which one fits your needs best in the comments.